we have to simplify given ratio. We have 7 liters to 14 milliliters. We can rewrite that this is 7 liters in numerator over 14 milliliters. What else? We know that 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So we can write that 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So now what I will do, I can rewrite again our numerator that 7 times 1, this is like 7 times 1 liter, I can write, over 14 milliliters. And now 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So I will substitute this expression by 1000 milliliters. 7 we will copy times will be 1000 milliliters over 14 milliliters. Now we see that we can reduce milliliters and 14 with 7, so will be 2 and 1. So we have that this is 1000 over 2. What else? We can divide 1000 by 2, so it will be 1 and 500. So we have 500 over 1. So this is 500. Or you can write that this is 500 to 1. This is my solution.